down, I know you got me, babe.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Rukaya, a student from the Information System and Technology Study Program, Class 1SA, with student ID 25061033. In this video, I will present material on the passive voice, consisting of definitions, formulas, example and usage times for the passive voice. Let's start with the definition of the passive voice. Passive voice is a sentence pattern in which the subject is subjected to an action rather than performing the action as in the active sentence. In passive voice, the object of the active sentence becomes the subject, and the focus is on the action or result of an activity. Passive voice formula. The basic formula for the passive voice is 1. Present simple. Subject plus is, are plus verb 3. Past participle. Past simple. Subject plus was or were plus verb 3. Future simple. Subject plus will be plus verb 3. Present continuous. Subject plus is, are plus being plus verb 3. Past continuous. Subject plus was or were plus being plus verb 3. Present perfect. Subject plus has or have been plus verb 3. Past perfect. Subject plus had been plus verb 3. Example of active and passive sentence. 1. Present simple. In the active sentence, the programmer writes the code. In the passive sentence, the code is written by the programmer. 2. Past simple. In the active sentence, the engineer fixed the computer. In the passive sentence, the computer was fixed by the engineer. 3. Future simple. In the active sentence, the company will launch a new smartphone. In the passive sentence, a new smartphone will be launched by the company. 4. Present continuous. In the active sentence, the developer is updating the software. In the passive sentence, the software is being updated by the developer. 5. Past continuous. In the active sentence, the team was testing the new application. In the passive sentence, the new application was being tested by the team. 6. Present perfect. In the active sentence, the IT department has installed the new server. In the passive sentence, the new server has been installed by the IT department. 7. Past perfect. In the active sentence, the technician had repaired the network. In the passive sentence, the network had been repaired by the technician. When to use the passive voice? The passive voice is used in the following situations. 1. When the object is more important than the subject. 2. When the subject is unknown or does not need to be mentioned. 3. To make a sentence more formal or objective. 4. In scientific or technical writing. Tips for using the passive voice. 1. Make sure you understand the structure of passive sentence correctly. 2. Use the passive voice effectively to emphasize the object or result of an action. 3. Don't overuse the passive voice, as it can make sentence unclear or too formal. Let's conclude the material on the passive voice. If there are any errors in word or pronunciations, I apologize. For your attention, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.